Data management. It's the real foundation for AI, for analytics. But the key question is it more about the technology or is it about the human and the people and the skills? This is what we're going to discuss with Eiji from Fujitsu. You are the VP on one hand for data management and for analytics. And we're going to understand what is the most important, the human factor or the technology. Maybe you can explain a little bit what you do at Fujitsu for data management and why is it so important?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for having me. So I'm leading the Data Analytics Center. The main mission is to promote company-wide data-driven management. So meaning it's an internal transformation for data-driven management. And so my team is working on preparing for data sets or developing the dashboards or utilizing up-to-date technology like AI. And back to your question, I think technology, 20%, people, 80%. That's my answer.
And what kind of challenges do you face? Because you said people say 80%. Is it mainly people challenges? Is it transformation? Is it the organization? Where are the key
Good question. For example, if you provide a beautiful dashboard out there to the entire company, well, what if nobody uses it, right? So it's always happened. Even at Fujitsu, it did happen before. We data analytics center provide the various dashboard, but it took time for them to fully utilize those dashboards. So we have to change people's mindset and behavior. We have to have them think that data is very important, and they have to utilize the data on a regular basis. That kind of behavior or mentality change is inevitable. So that's why it's really important.
And can you share a little bit more details how you did this? What kind of steps you did? What kind of process? Did you involve internal, external people only?
Yeah, I think the very important process or approach would be the top-down approach, I would say. Because if the top of the leader of each organization doesn't use the dashboard or data at all, how the subordinate people in the organization use the data or dashboard. So we communicate in depth and tightly with those middle management of each organization and explain about our value of the dashboards or value of the data. And then take time. It takes time, but we are gradually promoting those, persuading and encouraging them to get ready for the data in dashboard or other technologies. That's how we did this kind of approach.
And while you're implementing the data management, what kind of new applications were you able to create? Analytics type of insights, dashboarding, but also AI, GenAI type of application?
Yeah, of course, we've been developing various dashboard, but recently, of course, AI is so powerful. Of course, we are utilizing the machine learning things because it leads to a prediction of for example, booking numbers or revenues, etc. It's really powerful. But at the same time, we have just started to utilizing the GenAI because GenAI apps just allows you to ask simple question in a very natural language, and then the app instantly provides you the information based on the data.
Yeah.
So of course, I'm also a data scientist in a sense. So if I do the same thing myself, probably it will take like 10 minutes or 20 minutes at least. But the GenAI get your answer instantly, like 10 seconds. So it's a really powerful tool, and you will get a very high productivity based on that. Yeah, it's real powerful.
And we've seen the keynote presentations today where the emphasis is on data quality, trusting your data with the trust score.
Right.
How do you use this in your organization?
Yeah, that's really important, especially quality of the data. It's really fundamental for not only for dashboard but also for AI, especially. So I think it's also, and then the people aspects comes to coming up in the situation, because data quality really results from the people's behavior, right? If the people do not input data correctly, probably AI doesn't work at all. So that's also the communication and the education, encouragement for the people. So we have to provide some, guidance or education or that kind of change management program for them, in order for them to change their attitude or behavior for a better quality of the data. So that's a really long journey, but it's fun. Yeah.
And looking now into the future, the coming months, the coming year, what kind of plans do you have? Now you have a solid foundation, trusted data, different application. What's next?
Yeah, the next is definitely the GenAI and Agentic AI. So of course, we have the one global data lake, and on top of that, we are running the dashboard and AI things. But obviously, the next thing is Agentic AI. So now we have started to trial about utilizing the AI, especially we utilize the Agentic AI for the top management meetings, and then during the management sessions, discussions, Agentic AI understands what's going on in the discussion, and they summarize the data, summarize the discussion, and provides you the relevant data autonomously. So that kind of input or information makes the discussion more like fruitful or insightful, right? So that kind of agentic AI is definitely the next phase.
Yeah, so you have the solid foundation for redefining many different processes. This is the first step, but there's more to come.
You're right.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
you for sharing your insights.
Opportunity.
And thank you for watching here from QlikConnect in Orlando, where we have a great conference with great insights. Thank you.
Thank you so much.